Want to boost your WooCommerce sales with stunning brand-aligned coupons? Let's dive into how smart coupons for WooCommerce helps you turn ordinary discounts into powerful brand assets. User experience can make or break your online store. Beyond just offering discounts, your coupons should reflect your brand identity and enhance the checkout journey. With smart coupons, it's not just functional, it's visual. Without further ado, let's jump in. Once you've installed and activated the plugin, head to Smart Coupons, then General Settings, and finally the Customize tab. From here, go to Coupons. You'll find different coupon types ready for customization: active, redeemed, expired, and even email coupons, ensuring a consistent branded touch across every user interaction. Pick the coupon type you'd like to customize and click Edit Layout. From here, explore a curated library of sleek pre-built templates. Choose one that perfectly reflects your store's aesthetic and user vibe. Next, it's time to infuse your brand colors. Use the intuitive color palette on the right to fine-tune shades that mirror your store's visual identity. It's a seamless way to enhance brand cohesion. Once your designs are ready, simply click Save Changes. And just like that, your WooCommerce coupons are fully styled and brand-aligned. And don't stop there. Go ahead and have fun experimenting with styles across other coupon types. With smart coupons for WooCommerce, it's more than a discount. It's a branded experience that drives conversions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.